Good morning, good people. We are in Belton, Texas, looking at this beautiful new construction home. It is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, just under 2,000 square feet. This is what the neighborhood looks like. Very family friendly. It does have some trails in this area, close to parks, it's close to Belton Lake. So there is a lot of family friendly options here. When you first walk up, it has these beautiful cedar beams along with the stone as well as the brick. This one is a 2-car garage and it is brick 3 ways, but it does have siding in decorative areas such as this walkway, and of course you will see on the patio. Immediately when we walk in, you can see the flow. It has 2 bedrooms and a bathroom, so we're going to head over to the first bedroom. Now, the rooms in this home are carpeted, but remember, if you decide to build, you have the option of having the luxury vinyl floors throughout, but this one is ready to go now. And it does have the carpet for those of you who prefer carpet in your bedrooms. And this one has kind of a double split floor plan where they have 2 rooms on one side, another room in the other side, and then the master further back, but you guys will see that in the future. And this room is similar to the first room in size. And this is bathroom number 1. In this particular floor plan, they chose the wood, dark brown chestnut wood color, very beautiful. And as we said, if you chose to get this built, everything with this builder is an option. Like, you can choose your countertops, your cabinet color. I'm going to insert a portion of the design center so you guys can take a look at the options available and some of the upgrades they have available as well. From there, we'll walk to the opposite side, and you have immediately to your right the 2-car garage, and they have the water heater inside of the garage in this unit. And it is in a space of its own, out of the way, and the ladder goes up to the attic with the junction or electrical box in the garage as well. And when you walk in from your garage, you'll see that you have your laundry room, and it also has a utility closet or a storage closet. And then we have bedroom 3. And once again, this home has a lot of natural light, lots of light to love, and it has the accessory lights above. This is the pantry. And it still carries on that brown cabinetry that you saw in the bathroom. It goes very nicely. It comes with the stainless steel appliances. And the refrigerator is always negotiable. Very deep sink. garbage disposal underneath, and that is the area where your refrigerator will go. And the island has storage as well. From there, you will walk into the open concept dining and living room. Once again, a lot of natural light, and the recessed lighting makes it even better. And you guys, just take a look at this view. My goodness, it is so beautiful. From here, we will walk to the primary bedroom. And before we get to the primary bedroom, this is the half bath for the guests. And the primary is right across from it. And then these doors, you have the closet and the primary bathroom. So first, we will head into the primary bathroom. You have the dual vanities, the private toilet room, and from there you have your separate shower and garden tub area. And I love the fact that they put the windows in the bathroom, the frosted windows, for more natural lighting, energy savings, of course. And then you have your primary closet with the built-ins. From here, we will go outside. And with this particular unit, you have the covered patio. This one has a really nice size covered patio. And a very green, may I add, lawn right now during this time in Texas. And this is the view from the back of the home. If this sounds like something you're interested in, check the description box below. My contact information is there. You could always give me a text or a call. If you're ready to grow, call Whitney and let's go.